Today we have a channel and lifetime first. I've never constructed one of these cute Japanese DIY candy kits before. I'll do my best, but this might be tricky. Here's hoping the pictures will be enough. And hopefully nothing's missing either. It looks like they encourage going freestyle, but maybe not for my first time. It could be tidier, but it's tricky when you're filming. Strawberry ice cream, check. Sprinkles, good to go. This'll be the plain vanilla ice cream. A miniature spatula, our primary tool. A bag for piping the cream. Instant chocolate sauce. This is the tiniest cone I've ever seen in my life. It's adorable. A bite-sized wafer boat. I've never seen a full-size version of one of these. And a plain single wafer we're gonna break into pieces. Looks like everything's here. And let me clean that nail real quick. Geez, my bad. The instructions say you need to cut the tray apart for ease of use. This is the water measure. Next, we stand the cones. Oops. No harm done. And now we square the wafer. Feels risky when you press, but it went fine. Here's where things get serious. Mix 1 measure of water with each ice cream powder packet. Filled to the brim, as per instruction. Oh, the powder's white. Guess it won't turn pink until we add water. There we go. You can still see some grains, but I did my best. Time to prepare and fill the piping bag, half and half, down the middle. Next time I'll move the camera closer instead of awkwardly trying to hold it, I think. Because otherwise this happens. It's tricky to do that and focus on where the camera is at the same time. Now we get the sauce ready. And that's it for prep. We just start putting everything together now. I'm a little bit nervous about doling out the ice cream. Oh no, that's not the most appetizing coil, is it? The pink-white split looks nice though. Luckily, we have another shot. That's more like it. Maybe I should have used more, but I don't want to leave too little for the other things. Okay, a decent squiggle. This is not going how I imagined it. Maybe we can fix it with decorations. Okay. Alright, chocolate time. Let's put a squiggle on this one. Well, not quite what I imagined. Can't have ice cream without sprinkles. Could have gone a lot worse. You know what? I'm proud of myself. And now the reward. That's pretty awful. Best thing I can say about it is perfectly smooth. Can't taste the chocolate sauce at all. And despite a pleasant strawberry vanilla scent, that synthetic flavor is quite weak, and it's mostly like eating wallpaper paste. The cone's fine, the sprinkles are nice, the ice cream itself is gross. Maybe this one will be saved by there being more sauce and more sprinkles. The ratios do help. Not sure how chocolatey that brown sauce is, but something about it is helping me interpret this as pudding instead of industrial slop. I think this has to be a one-biter.
Oh.
Genuinely one of the most disgusting things I've eaten in my life. I didn't leave it that long, but the moisture has leached out of the ice cream into the wafer, and it is like wet kitchen towel. It's like my body cannot recognize it as food. I barely managed to swallow it. That's all for this time. Despite the disappointment at the end, that was really fun and it looks cool. Have you ever done one of these? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Super Yummy Munchie Cat.